Mike here with 2AR Tactical Custom Guns in Woodland Park, Colorado. Today I brought out some pistols that I want to share with you. When you think pistol, I'm not talking about your standard handgun pistol like you would associate like this Glock 19C that I have. No, the ones that I brought out are ones that we do custom builds on, so bear with me. Like this one here, this one's a 300 Blackout in an AR-15 platform. Has the SIG brace on it. Let's give this one a run. See how this one does. As usual, pretty awesome. 300 Blackout, definitely an upcoming favorite. We do these custom builds here in the shop. Next up, .1927 A1 Tommy gun pistol. This one I've been actually looking forward to shooting, so let's give this one a run. Truly awesome. I like it. 1927 A1 Tommy gun pistol. Next up is one that I just got done building. So I'm still waiting for the flash hider to come in, but we can still test fire this one. This one is a MK-9 9mm pistol. No, this is not a buttstock. This is a CAC Industries pistol stabilizer, as they call it. So let's give this one a run. Wow. Absolutely awesome. I love this thing. If you're interested in pistols like this, come on up to 2AR Tactical Custom Guns and we'll see what we can do for you. Thanks. Take it easy.